Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Prescott local and long-distance movers near me. At various periods throughout a person's life, they must make meaningful choices. One of the important choices is moving to a new house or business location. It has a financial, physical, and psychological effect on you. The stress of moving might discourage many individuals at the early stages, and many things may go wrong during the move. You'll spare yourself a lot of tension and anxiety if you plan your move carefully. The best thing to do is hire a moving service. If you reside in or around Prescott, AZ, 3Movers is the best moving company for you. We provide pocket-friendly and efficient services for both local and long-distance moves. You can count on us to deliver on our promises of dependability, quality, and timeliness. Moving with us is a breeze because of the professionalism and friendliness of our staff. This is because we have a high proportion of repeat business from our clientele. Standard moving gear is what we utilize. Over short or long distances, our vehicles safeguard and deliver your things. We realize you're busy, so we'll handle the difficult chore of sorting and transferring your items for you. You can focus on other essential aspects of the transfer. Your preferences, budget, and schedule may all be accommodated in our plan. You won't have to worry about moving your possessions yourself more than 50 miles away with us in charge. We have the experience, expertise, and resources necessary to orchestrate a successful long-distance relocation. 3Movers can transfer your possessions whether you're moving inside or outside the state. We guarantee that your items will arrive on schedule and in excellent condition. We commit our movers to regular training to make our services better. Therefore, sorting and loading your belongings with care is second nature to them. Our long-distance moving vehicles are sturdy, well-balanced, and have a lot of room inside. For your protection, we've put together comprehensive insurance plans. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.